Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn on quiet mode on Threads. Maybe you want to take a break from constant notifications and enjoy a peaceful moment. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on quiet mode on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to our profile page. Here, tap on this two lines icon at the top right corner. In the settings page, tap on notifications. Here, you will now see this quiet mode option. Simply tap on it. Now, to turn on quiet mode, you simply need to toggle on the switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully turned on quiet mode on Threads. Now, all your notifications will be muted. Additionally, below, you have the option to set a time frame for quiet mode to automatically activate and deactivate. For example, I will set it to turn on at 10:30 p.m., then turn it off at 11:30 p.m. This feature is great for situations when you want quiet hours during the day or night. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on quiet mode on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on quiet mode on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.